I can't believe I got grounded. You can't be talking. You've been doing this for 7 days straight. 7 days. Yeah, and I'm old enough. I'm 16. 16 is a teenager, basically. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, but it's like a pre-parent. But that doesn't mean you can just go off running everywhere, sneaking out, yeah. That doesn't mean anything, but all the girls, like you, go to your friend, and you're bringing that with you. So you can tell your friend, because you're not going to the movies. You can tell your friend that you have to do all that work, and when you're done, you can play the games and stuff. Yeah, whatever your girl time is. Yeah, whatever. While we are at the movies. Okay? Yes, Mom, I'll go ahead and be packing. Great. I'm still mad at you, but I should calm down. Oh, Oreo. You're the best dog. First. Okay, I'm sorry. I know I'm being unfair, but that's for a reason. Now that I saw the brown recluse, I feel like everything's growing on me. Okay? I'm sorry, I know I'm being unfair, but that's for a reason, like I said a while ago. Okay, don't think I'm trying to be, but let's make that 1 month for your grounding. Thank you, Mom. I'm so sorry. I won't ever do this again. Good, but I didn't raise you to sneak out and all that stuff, okay? Yes, Mom, I'm so sorry. I mean it. Okay, go ahead and be doing that work. Okay. Wake up. What? What? We're gonna go to the movies. And why you have Sissy's phone? Oh, yeah, let me go put that up. There you go. I had it because I was going through her messages with her friend and, all her other friends. Okay. I wake up Sissy? Yes. Big Sissy, you're going to the movies with us. Oh, no, she's not. Why? Because she's grounded for a month. I thought it was 2 months. No, I changed that to 1 month because she gave you a toy. And she was being really nice in the fight. She wasn't like yelling at me. She was just using her normal voice. She wasn't raging like I was. And I'm very sorry about that. It's okay, Mom. Okay, well, sorry about that, Sissy. Oh, and thank you for the toy. You're welcome. Go ahead, wake Emily up. Okay, Teresha. Hug! Okay. Okay. Sissy! Wait. I'm Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. It's okay. Go to my room, okay? Okay. I'm sorry, Sissy. I didn't know I was interrupting you. You made your sister cry. Yeah, and I'm in a bad mood. She should already knew that. Why do you always have to argue with me? Almost every day? Because we're kids. That's what kids do. No, because I didn't raise y'all to be like that. Y'all just be like that. I don't know why. I don't know why. You're always in a bad mood. And I don't know why. I'm always getting frustrated. My face is going to stay stuck like this if y'all do not fix y'all's attitude. Okay? Okay. Okay. I'm always in a bad mood. You should already know that. Okay, go ahead and get dressed. We're going to the movies. Okay? Actually, you can come. Okay? Because you've been so good and nice. Well, just in case you start acting bad, I want you to bring your stuff in the car, okay? Yes, Mom. Sorry. It's okay. Girl, did I get you attached to that thing? Perfume? Out. You don't need this notebook. And now, why do you have your sister's dress? This is what I was gonna wear anyway. Thank you, Mom. I'm so sorry, ma'am. It's okay. We're still going to the movies. You're still our family, okay? I don't want to make this a big reason, but you can come with us, okay? Okay. I'm glad you're happy with it. Okay, I thought I saw. Hmm? Okay, that's too big. Okay, go ahead, bring this. And bring one. Okay, this is the only one I have anyways. And you can bring your puppet just in case you get bored of the movie. Yes, Mom. There you go. And I don't care if they think you're weird. You're not weird no matter what, okay? Yes, Mom, I know. My tablet. I'm sorry. It's okay, we're friends now. Let's turn back to our normal emotions. A light. A light. Alright. Here's your crown, sissy. And here's your crown. Mr. Teddy. Book and book. Did you stash all those candies in there? Whoever has the best grades get this last one. It's Thank you, Mom. Actually, all I gotta do is take it to be or something dumb. Okay, now let's get ready for the movies. Oh, another book. Another one. And your water bottle. And a cat book. Okay, well, one of y'all's toys again. Y'all have so much toys. And a magnifying glass. And why do you have 3 notebooks? One for math, one for art, one is my diary. Let me guess, this one's your art. No. This one, no. This one, yes. Okay. And this one is your math. Yes, this one is your diary. Okay. We'll put all those back in your stuff for next year. Okay. Now, while I do my makeup, I want y'all girls to change and then play for a little until I'm done with my makeup, okay? Okay. 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 First, let me put your stuff up here. Okay. Oh. One y'all forgot y'all's iPad. Okay, I'm sorry, but I can't bring you a toy. Okay. Now, let me do my makeup. First, let me change. Okay. Right here. No. 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 Yes. This is the teenager. Tanisha, I found one of your clothing in my closet. Sometimes you misplace them when you do the laundry. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. Okay. Now fix my bed. Fix her bed. Okay. My lipstick. And Okay. Now, blush. Just kidding, I didn't have blush on that. Okay. No. Nope, not right one. Here we are. There. There. Okay, we got the eyeshadow on. I feel like that's enough makeup. I'm tired of waiting. Same. Same. Okay, there we are. Let's see if I need anything. Oh, my phone. Yes, always. Okay, girls, hop in the car. Okay. Okay, front, second, third, fourth. Okay. Actually, you guys, we're going swimming. I wanted to say it was the movies. The movies. But I know how much y'all love swimming more than the movies. Yes, hurry up, move it. So your favorite singer is playing. Mom, I didn't dress for the right occasion. It's fine, girls. I made those into bathing suits. Oh, where do I put this? Give it to your friend. Why are you in the same time? All I do is just give it to her. What do I do? Okay, out we go. Okay. Woo! 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 This is the best day of my life. I'll just put my water in there, my bottle in there too. Okay, girls. Guess what I found? I found a turtle. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, Mom. You should return it. Well, I'll be saying it. Okay, woo! It looks like the girl has a good shot. I also found this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. You let your little sister down. She knows how to swim. Okay, we can all play catch. I mean. Okay, so you throw it to there. You throw it to me. I throw it there, okay? Woo! Woo! Whee! And then you throw it back to her. That, okay? Woo! Woo! Wee, wee, woo, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, wee, wee. Okay, girls, it's time for us to leave. It's been 2 hours already. Dance. Dance, 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 dance. Okay, let's dance. Girls hop in the car. Okay, good. Now, girls, it's about to turn. I know y'all have had a blast, but it's about bedtime. I almost passed our house. But, ugh. Okay, I guess we can leave. Okay. Now everyone put your electronics up. Okay. You can sleep on the top bunk. I going to pee. Me too. Okay, girls. You can't forget to put on your pajamas. But we're too tired. Yeah, fine. I'll let it pass. Okay, everyone. I hope you liked this video. And as always, live, laugh, love. Peace.